Sir, sir, we have given everything. So that is what I wanted to correct your records. Sir, he has referred everything. NDSA report, he has referred vigilance and enforcement report. You go through this. See, Akbar साहब, ये आप पूरा पढ़ो. 600 साहब, नहीं. आपको मैं पेज वाइज दिखाता हूँ. He has gone through everything. No, you are absolutely wrong, Akbar साहब. नहीं, आप नहीं, हम सरकार चला रहे हैं, हमें पता है. We have no. You go through this page. You go through 600 and I will give you. नहीं, अरे साहब ये बुक ले लो, सेकंड बुक ले लो. आप पूरा देखो, एनडीएसए रिपोर्ट. अकबर साहब पूरा पढ़ो, बिना पढ़े आप मत बोलो. नो. अकबर साहब, कभी कभी हम इंसान हैं, कोई भी गलतफहमी हो सकता है. आप मेरा अच्छा दोस्त है, मेरा अच्छा दोस्त. ये इसका मतलब ये नहीं है आप विदाउट वेरीफाइंग दिस रिकॉर्ड एंड रिपोर्ट you cannot make such type of statements.
Right. I'll now give me the mic. I'll say.
So let me complete. I'm not yielding, Akbar Sahab. I'm not yielding. No. You are scolding like anything. I'm sorry. Absolutely, I'm sorry. I'm not going to yield. You have taken much more than 1 hour. No. आप बुक किताब कुछ भी पढ़ो, मगर गलत नहीं बोल सकते आप. नहीं, आप गलत नहीं बोल सकते. आप अगर वो सचमुच रहा तो सर, I have to answer. I'm the floor. I'm the leader of the house. I have to answer every question. I have to address every member. I have to reply. No. You cannot.
The government is at the liberty to take steps pursuant to the final report of National Dam Security Authority in accordance with the law. This is what it is saying. Page number 664. आप माइक में मेरे पे भी बोल रहा हूँ.
Akbar Sahab, 656 page number. You go through that page. The Director General, Vigilance and Enforcement submitted interim report on 2/8/2024 and further informed the government through letter dated 38/2/2024 that as directed by the government, it is restricting its inquiry to Medgada barrage only through letter so and so date has placed before. साहब, अकबर साहब, अब हम इंसान है, गलत हो सकता है. आप अरे मैं आपको विथ रेफरेंस पेज नंबर, आई एम कोटिंग पेज नंबर. द कमीशन, द फाइनल रिपोर्ट, डायरेक्टर जनरल विजिलेंस एंड एनफोर्समेंट, Medgada barrage. The government has produced a document mentioned in the list annexed to this said letter. However, it is reported through the said letter that the placement registers of work pertaining to all components. Dam safety report also is there. अरे साहब, अकबर साहब, आप गलत फहमी होगा, नहीं तो झूठ बोलने वाले अगल बगल में बैठकर आपको रिक्वेस्ट किए तो मोहब्बत में, प्यार में, ऐसा कुछ पुराने दोस्ती में कुछ गलत फहमी में मत जाओ. आई एम कोटिंग 658 पेज नंबर. You take that book report. We have given hard copy to Akbaruddin Owaisi साहब. आप काप ले लो. Report of the National Dam Safety Authority. Before dealing with the report of the National Dam Safety Authority, it is necessary to refer to the directions of this commission. Sri G. Anil Kumar, Engineering Chief General, wrote letter so and so, committee on 2024, dated 3/6/2024, enclosing therewith interim technical suggestions on the rectification works related to the barrages of the Kaleshwaram lift irrigation project based on the site visit observations on 1/6/2024 by expert committee constituted white government memo so and so. The letter reads thus, anent to the reference second cited, and he has given everything. The report includes to the said letter reads thus. साहब, आप पूरा रिपोर्ट पढ़ो. साहब, मैं बोल रहा हूं, मेरा सरकार ने सबमिट किया. NDSA report we have given to commission, NDSA report we have given, vigilance and enforcement report to the commission, and CAG report I have submitted, officially we have submitted. पेश साहब मैं पढ़ के दिखा रहा हूं, मैं आपको झूठ बोलने का सर
अकबर जी,
जस्ट आई विल रीड आउट.
अकबर जी प्लीज आप बैठिए. लीडर ऑफ हाउस बात करने के बाद आपको टाइम देता हूं.
Honorable Speaker, sir, I do not feel offended, nor I feel upset, nor I get angry as my leader of the house, who got so angry. Hey, theek hai. I was laughing and I was speaking. Sir, Honorable Speaker, sir, I would like to refer to the page number. Honorable Speaker, sir, through you, I request the learned people of the learned government, headed by a learned leader, Mr. Revant Reddy Sahab. Sir, about report of the Director General, Vigilance and Enforcement, page number 655, sir. Sir, in that second paragraph, page 655, it is reported by the government to this commission that the Vigilance and Enforcement Director seized the records pertaining to Madigadda, Anaram and Sundila barrage. Right, sir? Yes. Now, going to the next page, sir. Sir, it is restricted its inquiry to Madigara barrage only, it says. Go to page number 667, sir. In the above facts and circumstances, this commission, now listen, last paragraph, page number 657. In the above fact and circumstances, the commission does not prefer to review the interim report and the final report submitted by the Vigilance and Enforcement Directorate of the Government of Telangana. The government is at liberty to take appropriate steps pursuant to the said report in accordance with the law. Sir, now what? Sir, no, sir, you're not understanding. You're not understanding what am I saying. Sir, you ask for suggestions to be given. If I am wrong, you please correct me. I have given a suggestion stating that as per my research and my reading and my understanding, it is understood that the vigilance report was not commented by the commission, stating that in the term of references, they are not being set to study the vigilance report. So, and
again, no, अकबर साहब, जब हम कमीशन अपॉइंट किए, एक मिनट, नहीं, आप एक के ऊपर आप ऐसे बोलते गए ना, लोग मेरा इंटीग्रिटी को भी चेक करने के लिए मौका मिलेंगे. I have appointed this commission, GOMS number 6, dated 14/3/2024. मेरा सरकार बने December 7, 2023. Within 2.5 months, I have appointed this commission. Vigilance and enforcement तब तक कोई रिपोर्ट नहीं दिए. उसके बाद विजिलेंस एंड एनफोर्समेंट कमीशन रिपोर्ट दिए. उसके बाद वो रिपोर्ट हम कमीशन को भेज दिए. जिस दिन हम अपॉइंटमेंट किए, विजिलेंस एंड एनफोर्समेंट का रिपोर्ट ही नहीं है. मैं कैसा इस जीओ में TOR में टर्म्स ऑफ रेफरेंस में मैं कैसा लिखूं? How come you are expecting that we have to include everything in this GO?
This is what?
अरे सही साहब, आप क्या बोलना चाह रहे हैं भाई? आप नो अकबर साहब, आप मेरा दोस्त है, आप लिबर्टी ले सकते हैं, मजाक भी कर सकते मेरे से, मगर सरकार से मजाक नहीं कर सकते.
मैं मजाक नहीं कर रहा हूं. अगर मैं मजाक कर रहा हूं, सर, I want to come and record and say that.
ये ठीक नहीं है.
I'll resign from MNA.
अरे आप रिजाइन किए तो क्या भाई? आप रिजाइन किए तो मुझे क्या मिलना? मेरा अच्छा दोस्त है, हाउस में रहना है. नहीं, आपके एक्सपीरियंस मैं लेना चाहता हूं. नहीं, अकबर साहब, आपके यू आर 6th टाइम MLA, यू आर सीनियर मोस्ट MLA in this house. I need your experience. I need your support. No.
Give me the mic. I'll read it out, sir.
Please, Akbar.
मैं बोल रहा था.
Akbar साहब, I'm coming on record again. Time and again, I'm on record. government submitted vigilance and enforcement report to Commission of Inquiry officially. I have submitted officially vigilance and enforcement report as well NDSA report. आप मेरा ऑफिशियल डॉक्यूमेंट देके एक्नॉलेजमेंट लिए भाई मैं जो काम किया मेरा हाथ से काम किए, आप नहीं बोल रहे, मैं क्या बोलूं आपको, मैं क्या बोलूं, आप ऐसा बोले तो मैं क्या भाई। आप अकबर साहब ये जीवो कब दिया, मैं विजिलेंस एंड एनफोर्समेंट रिपोर्ट कब दिया वो दे दो साहब। अकबर साहब आप समझ रहे नहीं, जिस दिन हम लोग ये कमीशन ऑफ इंक्वायरीज डाला है उस दिन विजिलेंस एंड एनफोर्समेंट रिपोर्ट नहीं थे। 18 महीने इंक्वायरी होने के बाद एनडीएसए फाइनल रिपोर्ट आ गए, विजिलेंस एंड एनफोर्समेंट फाइनल रिपोर्ट आ गए, सब हम लोग कमीशन को सबमिट किए। उसके बाद ही केसीआर को बुलाया, हरीश को बुलाया, बाकी लोगों को बुलाया, सबका सुझाव लिए, सबका सुना, अपना खुद का गाना गा दिए कमीशन। हम भी यही काम करना चाह रहे, सबका सुनने का है, हमारा गाना हम गाने वाले, अब गाने के लिए मौका ही नहीं दिया, आप सीधा सीधा घुस के मार दे रहे, इधर उधर गोली चला रहे। भाई ऐसा मत करो अकबर साहब, नहीं किसी का नहीं, you are learned अकबर साहब, you are learned senior most member. If first timers say something I can understand, but I am not expecting from you such type of I'm sorry नहीं, ये आपके तरफ से ये नहीं सुनना चाहता हूं मैं, क्योंकि ये हाउस में सबसे ज्यादा एक्सपीरियंस कंटिन्यूअसली 1999 से लेकर आज तक यू आर द विटनेस ऑफ दिस हाउस। चंद्रबाबू नायडू, राजशेखर रेड्डी, रोसैया, किरण कुमार रेड्डी, चंद्रशेखर राव, टुडे रेवंत रेड्डी, all these years you have seen everyone. You can, if you are saying something, people will believe, क्योंकि अकबर साहब जो बोलते हैं 100% सही बोलने वाला है, क्योंकि वो पढ़े लिख के पूरा समझ के बोलते, एक्सपीरियंस से बोलते। मैं भी यही समझते थे, मैं पहली बार मुझे गलत प्रूव कर दिया। आप मुझे गलत प्रूव मत करो अकबर साहब, मैं आपके ऊपर बहुत उम्मीद है, बहुत भरोसा है। मैं इसमें आप जो भी अपोजिशन जो भी सुझाव देंगे हम सुनेंगे, हम डिसीजन लेंगे, डिसीजन लेने का अथॉरिटी मेरा है। आई विल गिव यू भाई, मैं अभी इसमें गए तो आप उसमें जा रहे हैं।
Sir, Honorable Speaker, sir, this is the book tabled in the House. Sir, by Honorable Irrigation Minister Saab. Chief Minister Saab बोल रहे हैं कि he didn't expect from me कि I am wrong, he's saying. ठीक है, I don't mind, sir. Individuals are not important. State and the people are more important. I mean, hundreds and thousands like Akbar Owaisi can be sacrificed for the state, give their life for the people, and I have done it also. Sir, now, in this book, page number 32, sir, the Commission of Inquiry, if I am wrong, I may be corrected. Commission of Inquiry, government-wide GOMS number 6, dated 14/03/24, has appointed Honorable Justice Sri Pinaka Chandra Ghosh, former Judge of Supreme Court of India, to conduct an inquiry on certain allegations and irregularities and embezzlement of public fund by corrupt practices in construction of barrage at Madigada, Anaram, Sundila, Kaleshwaram project. The same was notified in Extraordinary Gazette on 14/3/2024. The term of references, Gazette dated 14/0/2024, listed below have been issued with the clear intent of identifying the various lacunas, deficiencies, wrongdoing, corrupt and malified practices, if any, and to identify the guilty parties and perpetrators who caused such huge loss to the public exchequer. To inquiry into the negligence, irregularities, lacuna in planning, designing and construction of Madigada, Anaram, Sundila barrage. To inquire into the manner of award of execution of contract, including but not limited to deviation in contract and following the strict financial disciplines of execution of such contracts. To inquire into negligence of lacuna in operation of maintenance of 3 barrages by agencies concerned the department, thereby leading to major damages of structure. to inquire into quality control of monitoring aspect, negligence and other malpractice agency, contractors and department, to inquire, identify and fix up responsibilities for any authority officials who's extended undue favors in agencies, contractors in term allowing unjustified EOTs, extension time, wrong completion of work certificate, premature release of bank guarantees and such other matter. The Commission shall fix responsibilities for the lapses as identified by it during its inquiry into the above matters and financial implications of lapses as identified any other matter that might be referred by the government at the later date. Now, sir, last point says, any other matter that might be referred by the government at the later date. So, I just want to know, have you referred any other matter in the later date which I as a legislature is not aware? Is one question. Sir, second, I am once again reiterating my claim and saying that the Commission did not take into consideration the CAG report, Vigilance report, NDSA report and expert committee report. It clearly said in this report that it is not in its terms of references. And now, when we have to go, I have said about vigilance. Sir, I have said about the vigilance, sir. इसमें clear लिखा हुआ है, sir. In the above fact and circumstances, the Commission does not prefer to review the interim and final report submitted by the Vigilance and Enforcement Directorate of the Government of Telangana. The government is at liberty to take the appropriate steps. Then, it is there, the report of National Dam Security, sir. National Dam Security, sir, there also, on page number, again 662, sir. It is saying, sir, it is evident from the orders of this Commission referred to above, it is abundantly clear that the Commission has not directed or empowered the expert committee to take up or issue direction towards repair, rectification, barrage. Therefore, the government has reconstituted the expert committee containing the 4 experts in the field of reconstituting the expert committee, later filed its interim report. ये सब बोलते हुए सर फिर बोल रहे हैं सर लास्ट में नेक्स्ट पेज में 664. I fail to understand. In that they are saying the National Dam Safety Authority is an expert body and its final report is the outcome of technical study and examination. Commission does not, अब आप देखिए सर, the Commission does not wish to review the same. The government is at liberty to take steps to pursuant to the final report of National Dam Security as suggested by it in accordance with law. सर मैं ये बोल रहा हूं
सर, अब जितना भी चर्चा करो, स्पीकर साहब अब जितना भी समय दो, मेरे कोई एतराज नहीं है. आपको चर्चा अगला दिन तक भी करना है, कल रात तक भी ऐसी चलाना है, आपकी मर्जी. आप यू आर एम्पावर टू रन दी हाउस. आप अकबर साहब मेरा रिक्वेस्ट इतना है, अकबर साहब